Hello all, in this video we will see how bugs can be managed in the Azure DevOps portal. There is two ways you can manage bugs in Azure DevOps portal, or I will say that in the Azure DevOps sprint there is two ways to manage bugs. So as the requirement in your project, you can do the same. The very first is bugs can be handled by a single resource so that the bugs can be closed. But the second scenario is bugs can in a bug multiple resource can work, and then only the bugs can be closed, so that each and every resources should put their effort in the bugs properly. Let's take an example. In a bug, in a bug, one developer can work or multiple developer can work, and QA can work and analyst can work. In that scenario, the second option is the best in the Azure DevOps portal.
Let's jump to the Azure DevOps portal. Type dev.azure.com and select the project as in that project you want to do. I'm always doing online shopping cart. Let's select to the project and let's go to the sprint, and you can see here there is two bugs in the sprint board: bug 1, test bug 2. So this will work as single resource can work on the bug, and they can move the bug in the board as they want to move in progress and then close. I'm putting back here. This is the first option, only single resource can work on the bug. Let's see how you can do multiple resource can work on the single bug. Go to the settings, click on working with bugs, select bug are managed with requirement, save and close. So see now bugs is coming here. It will not move in the board. You can create multiple tasks under the bug, and bug is a parent task and the child task can add in the bug. So let's add test bug 1 dev task, then type test bug 1 testing task. As much you want you can create, and now the task will move in the sprint board, and whomever you want to assign this you can assign to the resources so that they can work on the individual task. And in the sprint you can find which all resources work on which task very properly, and you can manage your sprint retro very well with this way. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and write in the comment if anything else you want to know for Azure DevOps board or portal. I will try to suggest you in the comment or try to create other video. Thank you very much.